Check out this 2021 Ultra Limited. The color of this Ultra Limited is vivid black with a black factory finish. Just a stunning color combination. Basically what the black finish means is that all the chrome's gone. This is just one incredible touring bike. It comes equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. This one here has the Stage 1 performance package, which includes the Screamin Eagle high flow air cleaner, 4-inch black Rinehart exhaust, and it has the Harley Davidson Pro Street tuner, which tells you that the bike has been dyno tuned and it just runs incredible. Putting a Stage 1 package on these bikes just really lights the 114 up. Now this bike is in excellent condition. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. It has only 2,650 original miles on the odometer. This bike isn't even remotely broke in yet. Being the limited model, it comes with the GTS boom stereo system, which includes AM, FM, weather band. You can Bluetooth your tunes into it off of your device, or you can, in this compartment right here, you can put your device in there and plug it in and it will charge it and integrate it right into the system. Being a limited model, it also comes with the heated grips, cruise control, big 6-gallon tank, so you have a lot of range with this bike. Has a security system with the fob. Nice big comfortable touring seat. Very comfortable for the rider and especially for the passenger. You can put a lot of gear on this bike and head out on your next road adventure, cross country or across state or wherever you think you want to go. It also has the short arm black Harley Davidson highway pegs. Give you a little extra comfort when you are on the long haul. And everything is blacked out. That's the black factory finish. It really gives it a cool look. It has the Harley Davidson tinted wind splitter windshield to give you a little better wind protection. Of course, it has the vent and the fairing, helps reduce buffeting. All the light housings are LED blacked out, black front end, nice black Harley Davidson wheels. Just an incredible looking touring bike. Now in the TourPak, it does have a 12-volt power point in there, so you can charge an additional device. It has the hookup for intercom system that you can plug in for you and your passenger. Controls for the passenger are under here. Nice big Rinehart 4-inch black exhaust. We'll start this bike up here in just a minute and it just sounds awesome. Runs really smooth. Very well tuned. Now, if you're in the market for a touring bike for this riding season, take a really good look at this 2021 Ultra Limited. Great color combination, vivid black with a black factory finish. Incredibly low miles with 2,650 original miles on the odometer. All the right accessories. You got your highway pegs. You got your Stage 1 performance kit. Your 4-inch Rinehart mufflers. Your Screamin Eagle Pro Touring street tuner. This bike covers all the bases. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Our prices are out the door. There are no added dealer fees, no dock fees or Harley touring bike surcharges. Just good, honest prices that are out the door. Give us a call. We'll help you put this beauty in your garage. Thank you for watching our video.